walk in a room. Oh, like I'm next with this because my boy. Hey yo, what's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another YouTube. Chad, I know I've been gone for a minute. True. I've been gone for like 6 months. I know some of your boys thought I quit content creation, and that's one thing I would never do more. If you watched the previous video that I posted, you probably understand like what's up, what's happening currently in my life. You all know that I've been going through character development. I've been going through a lot of depression, but I'm working on it right now. So like since I moved out from my big family house where there's a lot of kids, everybody just there, so moving into my own spot, it was not really easy, bro. You go through loneliness, you go through a lot of stuff. You start questioning yourself if you're really worth it and all that. You start comparing yourself with other kids, like the rich kids and stuff. I'm not a rich kid. So but with God's help and like my pastor's help and everything, I was able to conquer that, bro. I was able to get out of that thingy, stronghold or whatever. Now I'm just like confident and I just wanna vlog, create content, you feel me? I know this is my first time vlog. If you've been watching me since like last year, you gotta go, boy, tell you what the fuck, how the fuck did you get here? Like, look at the quality, look at me, who I'm like, what? So Chad, I'm spotted up in my own crib in Johannesburg. I moved up from Pretoria to Johannesburg. Now I'm cruising, I'm chilling, I'm somewhere most people won't make it. I'm not flexing, I'm not boasting. I just want to make sure you all understand. In life, you gotta work hard to get what you don't. Yeah, if you get it, you get it though. But here, Chad, I'm about to give you a room tour. And before we start, I want to give you a outfit of the day. Just like a calm outfit, home calm outfit, you feel me? So let me do that. Let me just place my phone here. So we got this cap I got from Shein. Low calm cap, nothing too much. And we got this glasses. This is not chrome, by the way. I also got it from Shein. This bonnet, my mom got it for me. And from there we got I got this pants I got from Shein too. This shit is expensive, bro. Like this shit is so super. It's so expensive, and I got this shirt from Power. Power is like the most cheapest store you've ever found in South Africa. So y'all buy and shop your clothes there, boy. If you're looking for like calm shirts and underwear, just buy two. You feel me? So Chay, without all this yapping, I know y'all just came here because you wanted to see my house. But let's just get it. Let me just give you a room tour, boy. MTV room tour. Let's get it. Oh yeah, this is how we start. It's like a MTV room tour, you feel me? Make sure y'all tap in. Oh yeah, boom. I walk in the room, boom. First thing you're gonna see is my bed. Oh, calm little bed with the babe duvets. You feel me? Nothing too much, nothing hectic. We just chilling, boom. That's why I sleep. You feel me? Then when I go here, this is where I put all of my essentials, stuff that I use on a daily basis. Yo, my ID. Oh, don't see my ID. Too cool. And this is my best friend, boy. I've been using this a lot lately because I'm growing my free farms, you feel me? And they look ugly if you don't like use this every day, bro. You gotta use this for your free farms and shit. If you want a tutorial on that, search it. I won't post that video. The fuck? And this, boy, I won't lie. If you don't got a bottle of water close to your bed at night, boy, you might just well die, boy. You might die. What if you choke at night and you need some water? So you're telling me you're gonna run to the kitchen just to fetch water? Oh man, put water close to your shit. And this is where I put my diary book, where I reflect that night. When life hit me, I just reflect and shit. And this is all of my cards, boom bap, what? Yes, this is where I just put my toiletries and everything, and down there I just, yeah. But this is like the first part of the room. It doesn't matter. My favorite part of the house, boy, is the closet. Oh, nah, I love this right here, boy. This is, if I could sleep inside the closet, boy, let me do it, my boy. Let me sleep inside the closet because I love it. I love my closet because I got some fire. I got some fire in there. So you feel me? So, bro, let's just open the wardrobe and let me show you what I got in this motherfucker. By the way, I'm a student at UJ. This is my student card word, and this is my, we're chilling. And this is my favorite piece, boy. This is my favorite necklace, boy. I put this shit on every day because it's like, so it's, I don't know, you won't get it until you get it. Boom. when you open the closet, first thing you see, boy, is my favorite shirts, boy. My favorite shirts. My favorite shirts. And mind you, I got jackets on every shirt. So first of all, we got this one that I got last year. This was a gift from my mom, you know. And this is the one that I got for myself this year, last week. Boom, chilling. This is all my favorite shirts, by the way. And this is the Brazil shirt. I don't know why I bought this, but I still love it. And this is like one of I don't know, I just love this. I don't know why, bro. I just love this, bro. And this also. If you got this brand, shout out to you. And this is all of my shoes. Yeah, I don't got that many shoes, but I only got how many pairs of shoes? 1, 2, 3. Joe, I need to buy shoes. I got a lot of pants and everything, but I don't got like real shoes. Then here's just all of my shorts. You feel me? This is all of my shorts and everything. I didn't fold them properly, so don't judge me. I'm not a dirty nigga. And down there is all the shirts that I just wear randomly. It's just the random shirts like this one that I got right here. And up there is just my suitcase and my bag that I use when I vibe back home. You get me? But I'm about to clickbait y'all with this two shit. Wait, this is about the closet. Ain't nothing too much inside the closet, boy. I might update my closet real soon, boy. Then this is my working area, my study area where I stream, where I do all of my shit, boy. I won't lie. Where I play music and chill, you get me? This is my working area, you feel me? This is where I shop my music in GarageBand, where I stream on Twitch, where I go live on TikTok. I go live on this phone that I'm using right here. And this year I just put all of my I don't know, this shit should be here. This is where I put all of my remotes and everything with my watch, with a watch, and this is my favorite ring light. I don't know why I got this headset shit. It looks so cringe as fuck. Boom, but this is everything. You gotta have this. When you're working, boy, you gotta drink your coffee or something. This is why I drink my coffee and all that. And this is like yeah, that's all. So yeah. So this is just where I work and everything, nothing too much. There you just find my books. I study a lot, boy. Y'all don't know, boy. I can go 5 hours study, boy. You feel me? So yeah, this is the heaters and all that. I'm not trying to show you my roommate's spot. Oh hey, now we at my favorite part, boy. The view. You see Josie from the top, gang. I don't lie, boy. I mess with this right here. If you don't mess with it, boy, deep. It gives me that feeling of like, boy, you made it from the ghetto, from the hood, from the trenches. I'm from Pretoria, so you know Pretoria-ish. Yeah, but still, Joe, it gives me that feeling of like, boy, you made it, and I really like it. I don't lie, but this is everything. Like, boy, I just wanna let you know, boys. This is just the start. There's a lot coming up, boy. I'm working hard. I just started an agency that I'm about to introduce to y'all soon, and I'm gonna start streaming next week, Monday. Tap into my streams. I'm gonna post this video before Monday, and I'm gonna run crazy promotions on this video because I know most of you boys won't click, won't subscribe. So, yeah, I gotta do it. So this is what I'm playing right here. My favorite artists. I listen to Drake, Big Baller, Clog, Force Baza, Gavon, and David, and Leo Sherman. Yeah. We made it to the end of the video. So actually, I just want to emphasize to you all boys that my brand just changed, boy. I'm not longer gonna talk about other creators on my video, but I'm gonna work with those creators. You know, I'm gonna try my best to work with them, and I'm gonna try my best to like blow up in this content creation industry. Just give me 6 months, boy. After this 6 months is GG's, boy. I wanna run up 10K, 100K, 50K, 200K, and I know it'll take time, but since I got the resources and everything, I just wanna use them on my best abilities to succeed, boy, and to become. I don't want. Okay, let me just stop this whole yipping shit. Just tap in and just watch, boy. Check me out, boy. I'm about to go crazy. You feel me? I'm about to go wild. And if you're the realest, you'll subscribe to the channel. Alright, chat. This is the end of the video. Thank you for watching the video. You made it to the end. You made it to take a live family. Make sure you like, you comment, you subscribe. Let's go crazy. Let's just go crazy.